Hey, this is a quick video to demonstrate how to turn off your IMA integrated motor assist battery light on your Honda Insight Gen 1. So the light is not lit obviously on this car, but that's where you'll see it if it's an indication that you have problems. Most likely your hybrid battery is degrading. So there's a lot of different ways to remove the light. But the easiest, I'm going to show you, it's super quick. Someone I met on Facebook asked me about this, so I thought, let me just shoot a quick video. There's probably others, but all you do first is you just pop the hood, and then you just come out here. Honda Insight, yay! This is the 0 through 06 Insight. And so here's your under hood compartment. And you want to go to this fuse box right here, and you'll just open it with these little guys here. 1, 2, 3. Just do these clips. 4. This comes right off. And then the one you want is, it's going to be this one right here. It's a 30 amp pink fuse, okay? And you can see mine here. I put a little gold bar on it to remind me if I ever have to do it. That's what I do for all my Insights. So all you do is you just grab this with your fingers, pull it out, count to about 13, 14, 15 seconds, and then put it back in. And then you replace your cover. And make sure it's clamped down. And then you can shut your hood. And then you start the car. Now, when you start the car, you're going to notice that your battery gauge here is completely empty. And the reason is the car is going to cycle. It's basically cycling a battery charge. So it's going to take about 5 minutes or so of the car on running. Just turn the car on, leave it running. Don't worry, it's fine. And your IMA light will be gone. And then after that 5 minutes, you'll just watch that gauge. It'll just slowly, one bar at a time, it'll fill up. And then you're good. And like I said, it takes about 5 minutes, sometimes less, sometimes more. All depends on a few different factors. And that will clear your light and your battery will be full once again. Now, if your light did illuminate, that is an indication of a more serious problem. Again, most likely the battery is beginning to fail. But with grid charging, you can coax that battery to live many months, or in some cases years more, if you just keep it charged. You know, in my case, I've had to do that every 3-6 months with other cars I've had, until finally the battery gave out. But you can get a lot of life out of an old battery by grid charging. And but that is the easiest procedure. It takes literally about 60 seconds start to finish to reset that light for this car. So I hope this helps you, Judy, and anyone else who's watching this. If you have questions about the Honda Insight, check out my channel. Got tons of videos on repairs and cool stuff. And drop me a question. Maybe I can help you. I've owned a whole bunch of these. And so hope this finds you well. Peace. God bless you.